Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. In this quick introduction video, we are going to see how we can create quick steps into the Microsoft SharePoint lists that are based on the whole list or particular one or two items. But before we move into the video, here is a short intro. So right now I am in my dev environment and I am going to click on this Power Automate button. And in that, we will find out this new option called as Quick Steps. Okay. These quick steps in this particular list, I don't have any quick steps created. So I'm not going to click on Manage Quick Steps, but I'm going to click on this Create a Quick Step option. This will open up this window. This says quick steps can be used to set up a predefined actions for your list. We can set up the options for selected items or we can do it for the whole list. Most of the options are available for the selected items. So one or more items are when selected, we can perform different options like draft an email, start a team set some value into the column or something, or we can also do the execution of a flow. Okay. In this particular example, I'm going to select one or more list item options. So I'm going to select execute a flow action, right? I can click this. When I click on that button, I see these options where I can provide a quick step name. So I'm going to provide a quick step name as process the request. The flow ID is a required field. So for this purpose, I have already created one simple flow, and from the URL, we can get the flow ID. There is another variable which is available that is default hyphen, but that's an environment variable. So we have to capture that flow ID, put it in there. The next step, what we have to provide is a header text. What the text we want to have our header for the panel. Let's say process the request, and I want to change the flow button text as well. Instead of calling it as run, I want to say it as process. When I click on create, now I'm redirected to manage quick steps. That is the first the quick step I have created. So that's why it's shown in here. It will show a command that will run on selected item. I can make it on or off by toggling this button, right? And if I click on it, I can see the details that I have filled in. And also I can delete this quick step if I want to do it from here, right? So the next step is when I go and select any of the item, I go into the Power Automate, that automate section one more time. Now, instead of going into this quick step, create quick step or manage quick step, I can see that particular quick step created on the top. When I click on it, it will open up this panel. And if you are working with Power Automate, you are seeing this very familiar, that same panel is opening. In this particular flow, I'm using the V3 version of Mail, and that's why it looks like this. When I click on continue, as you can see, now it says as run flow, it is giving me the name as process that I have given when I'm creating that quick step. When I click on process, right, that quick step has been run, I guess. So when I go into the Power Automate flow, I haven't made any of the new things into it, but as you can see that flow has been run 9 seconds ago and also is completed with failed, obviously. So this is a very quick introduction about the quick steps. I'm going to make more videos on how to use the quick steps, how the values are being passed from the SharePoint list to that particular flow and all that stuff in the near future. But for this quick introduction video, that is it. I hope you like this video, and if you like it, please provide your comments in the comment section. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notification whenever I am uploading a new video. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one.